Hi there, Sarah from Glow Skin Body here. I'm here to show you the new Age Bright Spot Fader from Dermalogica. As adults, our breakouts take time to heal, and once they go, we are often left with a mark, which is referred to as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. To prevent the hyperpigmentation, we need to provide treatment at the first signs of a breakout. This 2-in-1 brightening spot treatment reduces the appearance of active breakouts and post-breakout marks and contains powerful ingredient technology to help your skin heal and repair. The Age Bright complex contains a powerful dose of terpenol, thyme and vitamin B3 to reduce the visible skin aging associated with breakouts and also prevent over-drying the skin. We also have niacinamide and hexyl resorcinol, which work synergistically to fade post-breakout marks and improving uneven skin tone. You will apply this upon the first sign of your breakouts and reapply twice daily until the spot fades. So you simply pull the tip off and turn on, and then apply this to specifically the breakouts. This works incredibly well over the Age Bright clearing system and is a must-have for any of you who experience post-breakout marks on your skin, and we're so excited for you to try this. To order your Age Bright Spot Fader, simply visit our website glowskinbody.com.au. You can also click on the link below, and you can also try a free sample with your next order. So we'll see you again next time.